What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's wait, if this is the first time coming over my channel, do want to click on that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos like this. Let's get back to what we're doing. In today's video, guys, we're going to be talking about the misconception between WordPress development and custom code. Currently, WordPress have come up with a lot of features to the extent developers are confused. They are convinced to leave their custom coding and move over to WordPress development. Now, as a full stack developer and a WordPress developer also, I'm going to be giving you in-depth knowledge on how these two different sides of development works. Here is why you should watch this video to the end. Not only will I be explaining how these two work differently, also I'll be showing you the required steps it will take to build an e-commerce website between these two methods. This will help you to compare and contrast, and it will also help you to make the right decision. So stick around in this video to the end, because I promise you that you are going to enjoy this video. And also, by the time you'll be done with this video, I promise you that you're going to have great knowledge on how these two different sides of web development work, so you can make your final decision today. Alright, guys, we are now in the topic, which is choosing between WordPress development and custom coding. Now, a lot of people already know how custom coding works, so in this video I'll be elaborating more on WordPress development. I'll be showing you the important things that you need to know and things you need to learn about the WordPress dashboard. So first things first, let's go into custom coding. As we all know, coding is the process of writing some set of instructions to the computer for it to follow using a programming language. When you code a website from scratch, you have full control of the website, following from the performance of the website to the design of the website and also to the functionality of the website. Just think of it of building a house from the direct foundation, which is brick by brick. Building a house from the foundation means that you have 100% control of the building. This is how coding works when you build your website from the scratch. With coding, you use tools like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React and Vue to create truly custom websites. Now, as much as this wastes a lot of time to build your website from scratch, it also requires technical skill and technical thinking to accomplish this. Now let's move over to WordPress development, which is a different ballgame altogether. WordPress is a content management system which powers over 40% of the website in the internet as of today. Now, content management system, I mean, is a system application that helps you create, manage, and modify digital content in your website without needing to write any lines of code. Now, WordPress makes it so easy for users to build their website using pre-designed theme and plugins. Now, the theme helps to manage the design aspect of the website, which is the background, the layout, the color, the font, and every other thing. Now, while the plugin helps to add functionalities to the website, maybe you want to add login functionality, you download the plugin related to that. You want to add a plugin, a form application in your website, you install a plugin for that. So theme is used in the design aspect, while the plugin is used in adding functionality to the website. So come with me, guys, let me show you a typical e-commerce website which I built with WordPress. Now I'll be showing you the step I took in building the website, and we can also use it to compare with custom coding. Now let's get right into it. Alright, guys, this is a typical WordPress dashboard, whether you're building an e-commerce site, plugin sites, and a lot more. So I'll be showing you just a quick overview on how everything works and how everything works in this WordPress dashboard. Now, at the left part of the screen, you'll see the menu here. These are the menu area of the screen where you can pick a lot of things that you want to do. Now, in the beginning of the video, I talked about WordPress theme. The theme helps to customize. So for you to install a theme in your WordPress, you need to navigate to the appearance section of the WordPress menu and hover over it. You'll see some sub menu, then you click on the theme option there. Once clicking on the theme option, you'll be shown some default theme that is being installed in your WordPress dashboard. So for you to install a theme, all you need to do is to click on this add new theme over here, and you add a theme. Already here we are using an Astra theme. Astra theme comes with a lot of startup templates. This theme helps to give some layout to the website. Then a starter template is just like a full installed website. If you install a starter template, for WooCommerce, it will install both products and everything for a WooCommerce site. All you need to now do is to change some important things like the logo and everything. It will install the full pages, and comparing it with custom coding, a WooCommerce website will have approximately like 15 pages. Now, to be comparing it with custom coding, you can just do this in few clicks. While in custom coding, for you to create all those pages and design it will take so many days, so many weeks, up to about 2 weeks to a month to complete that. Now let me show you everything here. We already have a starter template. All we need to do is to navigate to this starter templates down here and show you how they look like and how to install them also. If you click on it, Astra will give you some starter templates already. There are free templates, there are paid templates. These are full e-commerce templates. I will filter it with e-commerce. You can see all the templates out here. Once installed, the full website has been installed for you, just to change some minor things and you keep on going. This is one reason why I prefer WordPress designing. To help you design your website in few clicks. If I was to build a WordPress website and I install a starter template, I've already gone far, because in a day I can be done with all the designing aspect of it. Now, another thing I made mention of was the plugin aspect. Now, for you to locate the plugin, all you need to do is to navigate to the plugin area below the appearance. It will show you the installed plugin you already have in your system, and also I'll be showing you how to install them in your system. Now, this is the plugin section. If you want to add a new plugin, you can click on this button here that shows add a new plugin. And for e-commerce site to function, it really needs a plugin called WooCommerce plugin. This plugin gives all the functionality an e-commerce website need, which is adding product to the cart page, calculating all the cart products, quantity and price, adding product to the wish list, displaying the product in the product page and each product in each single page. And building this alone using a custom code will take you over months. I know what I am telling you. If you were to build all these things with custom code, it will take you extra months, but with few clicks you can do this with WordPress plugins, which is WooCommerce. You know how it takes. You will need to write code that will be able to add a product to the cart page, calculate them, add wish list, do a lot of things, the product page, the main page, the cart page and the checkout page. And all those things are so time consuming if you are to use custom coding. Now, and another thing that was used to build this e-commerce site was all other plugins like Elementor. Elementor is also a plugin for drag and drop. Maybe you installed a starter template and you don't really like how a particular file was designed. Installing this Elementor will help you to design it. If you're using a custom code, you'll use CSS, and designing with CSS is also time consuming to be compared with Elementor, because Elementor you just like designing with a Cora draw, just drag and drop. The area that you don't like, you remove it, at the areas you like, you drag and drop it there and make some changes. So simple. Now, this is the front end part of the e-commerce site I used for an example right here. You can see how beautiful and amazing it looks, having all the e-commerce functionality, which will be so time consuming if we were to create them with custom coding. Also, one important thing that I love to WordPress, especially this WooCommerce plugin, because I'm using WooCommerce for example here. This plugin also adds login functionality. I know that just putting the login functionality using a custom code takes a lot of time. You will start from using you start to check if you use cookie or JWT. You start with the authentication, you start to retrieve the token and whole lot of things, which is so time consuming to be compared to WordPress. So WordPress helps you build your site so freely, so easy and so fast. With WordPress, you can be able to create websites in just few days and everything, a full website is done, rather than custom code which will take you about months before you finish an e-commerce website. After all the details and every information you have gotten in this video, now I want to give out my own conclusion and my own recommendations. Now my conclusion and my recommendation will be divided into two aspects, which is building your personal projects or working for clients. Coming to the part of getting employed or building projects for clients. Now, if you're the kind of person that wants to get employed in one of these big tech companies like Amazon, Google and the rest of it all, I would recommend you go with coding from scratch, because these big companies have enough money to invest in their company. This company have enough money to invest in their developers, and they work with several teams, which will also make work much more faster. And these companies also require some technical thinkers that will help to produce things so and they really want to be in charge of everything they do. So going into coding from scratch would be best if you want to be employed in big tech companies. Then if you want to become a freelancer working on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, I would recommend you going with WordPress, because WordPress will help you build your projects so fast. Because on the Fiverr market now, for websites like e-commerce sites, WordPress is what's selling so well. People have started to know WordPress for a long time and it's coming up in the trend when it comes to the Fiverr market. So I would recommend you, if you want to become a freelancer, to learn how to use WordPress and everything related to WordPress, because it will help you not only build your website fast, it will also help you to save stress and time while building projects for your clients. Now the second phase, which involves building your personal project, I recommend, if you're the type of person that loves critical thinking and have enough time, if you can think so critically well, if you can handle things like the database system and you really want to know things related to computer science, I recommend you to go into custom coding, because it will help you to know things related in that field. But if you just want to build a quick site, or you want to come up with a business and you want to build a quick site for it without wasting much time, I recommend you going through WordPress, because WordPress will be the best for you and it will be so fast for you to do everything you want to do so quickly. Also, if you wish on becoming a full stack developer, I recommend you learn both sides. Maybe you can go into custom code, then with time you learn small things related to WordPress. It really help you a lot. Me having idea in full stack coding and WordPress, it has really helped me a lot, because the first job I got was from WordPress side, that's building an online store using WordPress, and some jobs I've been getting have been coming from WordPress. So as a full stack developer, I recommend learning both sides. Maybe you go into custom coding and have a bit idea on WordPress, because nobody knows what the future is turning into. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the video, and I know by now the debate between choosing WordPress and custom code has ended. Unless I forget, if you have any questions to ask, do it to hit them down in the comment section. I promise to reply to all the comments under this video. So I would love to see my next video. You're welcome.